Morning. What a beautiful morning it is this morning. All like cricket weather. Right, just a little video. A customer's had a lovely bat off me, knocked it in nicely, got out some throwdowns, he's mistimed one and just put a bit of a compression crack on the bottom inside edge of the toe. I just thought I'd show you. One or two of you may have seen some Facebook posts that I've put on about cracks in bats and surface cracks and cracks running up the grain around the edges. Excuse me. And it often looks worse than it actually is. But this is a classic one that people do often tend to panic about, and it's only a little crack. But I just wanted to show you, so if I can get that in the picture for you. There you go. There you go. Barely anything actually looks worse on camera than in real life. But I just wanted to show you what you can do to repair them, best way of repairing them, without any big machinery. Yeah? So you can do this just with a bit of sandpaper, a bit of glue and a bat mallet. Okay? So one of the first things that you can do is literally, if you've got a crack like that, you can do these as running repairs in your kit bag. So, tube of super glue. So, you can pour a little bit of super glue in there. Just let it soak in a little bit. And just keep dabbing it so it just feeds into the crack. Like that. Okay. Put the lid on, so I've got a good habit of gluing myself to things. Okay, so there it is. So you can see that. Put a bit of super glue on, a bit of sandpaper while it's wet. So there's a bit of sandpaper while it's wet. So look on the face. So that bit of glue and the sawdust from the sandpaper has got into the crack now and sealed it up a little bit. Now to finish that off, you get your bat mallet and just work your way around that toe where it's a bit soft. And you can just give it a little bit of a gentle knock in, and that almost seals it together. Look, there we go. So all it is, just nice little sealed crack now. So to finish that off really simply, you get your bat wax or a bit of linseed, or a bit of wood glue if you're going to smear wood glue on it, or shoe glue, but a bit of bat wax on it. Seal that toe again. A quick polish. And there we are. Like new. And there's that, just a little scar there, but it's all sealed. Easy. Dead easy job to do, guys, and a lot of people just don't know how to or daren't do it. So dead easy. And you can do that. You can do that with cracks on the face as well. Yeah, similar thing, and be perfect when you're done. Okay.